guys, it's me, Nicole, and today I'm going to be making slime, but I'm going to be picking stuff out of the box. But if I need something important, like it's not that thing yet, then I just have to grab it out of the box. I'm sorry. And I have one spoon, one bowl, and this is the box. Oh my god, it's huge. Okay. Okay. Oh, I got clear glue. Oh, I have to get the one that's not, like, the one that's, what? Oh, I have to get this one. Okay. Clear glue. Let's pour it in the bowl. Okay. 1 second. Oh, it's this thing. Okay, wait here 1 second. Okay. Sorry guys about that. Okay, here's the glue. Let's hope it turns clear, not cloudy, right? Okay, sorry guys. Now we have to clear glue in. Now we add baking soda. Let's add baking soda. Oh. Oh my god. Wait. I'm not supposed to get the... Yeah, I'm supposed to get the baking soda now. Sorry guys, that's just my little dog. He barks a lot. Sorry, I didn't... Be quiet. Sorry guys. He likes to bark a lot. Yeah. And I had nowhere else to go.
Go to your room. Downstairs.
I'm making sure you guys can see. Okay. Okay. Whenever it's ready, I will show you guys it because there's nothing to see right now and it's getting cloudy. Whenever I don't use baking soda, then it gets really sticky. So I have to use baking soda. Okay, if you guys want to see a little bit, that's all. Oh, it's actually getting a little better. Now, it's coming like my other slime. Sorry if this is making so long. Okay. Next thing. What is that? Wow. Oh my god. Wait, is there anything still now? Oh. We have golden stars. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna pour it in. You guys are gonna see how it looks like at the end when I'm done. I have to put a lot on track. We don't need the fat back. All the boys just brush it off. Say no, yeah. No, you're not. Try to throw some track. We don't need the fat back. Okay. I think I'm done. I'm gonna put the things that were already used aside. Okay. Oh, got it. I was about to say. Got some on my hands. Okay, I'm just gonna knock. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna show you. Oh, it looks so pretty. I can show you guys it right now. I want to mix it in good. This is so pretty right now. God. Oh, I'll show you guys it at the end when I'm playing with it. Okay, now we use. Do I have? Oh yeah. Okay, mix it up. Let's clean it up. Wait, did I spill anything in there? No. Stop, Nikki. Okay. I want to add more stuff. Wait, is this almost out? No.
Albert Einstein.
Oh my god. I should put it over the thing. I spilled it. Oh my god, it burns my fingers. It does not feel good. Why is it not wrapping up? Okay, let's just get back up. Let's hope this turns out good. What if I can't get the stars? Too sticky. I think it's gonna get better. Right now, this is how it looks. Dun dun dun. Sorry, guys, if you can see that little pink thing. Look, if you can see that pink thing on the side. I'm sorry. That's just like my cover. It's on the side for some reason. Oh, that's too wet. It's not working out, guys. This is not working out. I'm gonna go like this. Oh, too much. Okay, I'm gonna be wasting this thing. No, now there's paper on my hands. I want to get in the slime. Oh. Wait, is my feet glittery? Oh my god!
What?
I'm going to show you guys at the end my slime, and I'm going to show you guys how many things are in there.
How is that possible?
This is working out. Not that much. Try throwing some track. This is so sticky, guys. It was just working out. It was just working out. I'm gonna 4 batches of kid. Oh, 4 times of this. Great. Why do I have to waste it? Did I use that much baking soda? I used so much baking soda. Okay, I'm getting glitter. I'm sorry, guys. I have to look now. No. This is the horriblest slime I ever made. I think I need more baking soda. The stars are never gonna show up now. Stars. I think you have to add 2 times this because that. Then you have to add more of. This is almost out. Good. There. Ew. There's slime all over my hands. It's brown. That's gross. Okay. Let's just mix it up again. This is so weird. Guys.
How? I didn't hit anything. And it says that I lost?
This is going good now. Well, my other one is not better. This one is horribler. Oh, no, it's not. It's not good. It's not good slime, people. I need to sit down. Okay, guys, I will be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have to add a little bit more. I have to add more. That was so much baking soda. Okay, I don't want to show you guys it right now. I need to put some back in. That is so much baking soda. I wasted like the whole thing. Okay, I'm going to be cleaning up after this video. This is coming into kinetic sand. Okay, I think I'm going to make this hard slime. Yes! No, it's coming hard. No. Okay, I'll be back. Mama, I use the whole thing.
Touch.